I'm Julie. I am from No Point Left Behind. I love traveling the world for free and cheap using credit card points and other travel hacks. And today I'm packing for a cruise. I'm going on a 4-day cruise with my son Tanner. He's 16. And so I started going through our cruise box, pulling some stuff out, and I thought I'd show you what makes the cut. I am a very light packer. I usually take a backpack and then like a tiny, tiny suitcase that fits under the seat. Sometimes goes with me too, usually just because we do need gear for cruising. So, first up, my float. I love this float. You blow it up on two sides. 1, 2, and it could be a hammock. I sit on it. When I cruise, people are like, where did you get that? I'm always like, Amazon. So, I always order one. It rolls up really little. I can get all the air out. It was very affordable, has space for it, and then it goes with me. Like I said, it's very affordable, so if something happens to it on a cruise, I get my money's worth. Sometimes I have been known to just leave them instead of carrying them back. Very rarely, but like you will wear them out. So love this. It's in my list of things that I carry on a cruise, always. These are my kids. Water shoes. This is a new addition, but as I'm getting older, my feet are way more sensitive than they used to be. And so I'm now taking water shoes. And these are like the Barefoot shoes. When we were in my last cruise, I think we were at Half Moon Cay, we ran into a lady, me and my friend Mary. We asked her about her shoes. 30 minutes later, we both had these in our cart. She talked about them for 30 minutes. She has all colors. These are tanners. This one's big, blue. I have nice pink ones, and I love these. These are great. We're going to Princess Cay in February, and I'll be packing these as well since I've heard it's rocky there. So, love the water shoes. I always pack a cell phone case for a strap for the water. I know most people have these. I went on a few cruises without this and realized we have no pictures of us laying on our floaties, sipping our drinks. And that's how I like to cruise. So I bought 2 of these that I can carry. Super affordable and can roll up nicely, fit in the bag. This. We went on Carnival earlier, actually last year, and we had like 2 outlets in our room. And the person I was with had a CPAP. So we had to choose between charging 2 phones and a CPAP. Okay, the CPAP won. So only one person had a phone charging at night. So I bought this so it won't be a problem anymore. And it was super affordable. It's in my, and actually it stays in my bag. Like my travel bag, it stays in there because it goes everywhere with me. Europe, Florida, cruise, skiing, this is going because we have a lot of devices. This I bought so my husband would be proud of me. I'm notoriously unorganized. I probably have ADHD. I lose stuff all the time. He usually takes care of carrying my cell phone charger, my Kindle charger, my watch charger for me. But he doesn't get as much vacation time as I get. So, because I don't work outside the home, I'm a homeschool mom. So I bought this to organize all my device chargers. I have this laid out ready for me to pack for our trip on Sunday. I'm getting very excited. Now, so I'm gonna look so organized. I'll be sending pictures of this to my husband all week so he'll see that I've got my act together. Sunscreen. This is my favorite sunscreen. Like, I've never loved a sunscreen for my face as much as I love this one. I'm gonna pull it up. It smells amazing. When I wear this, me and my girlfriend say we feel fancy. I don't know why, but we feel like real grown-ups. I know you're looking at me, I look like a real grown-up, but in my mind, I still am like 15 years old. But this, I feel like a grown-up. And when I bring this on a trip, everybody wants to use it. Everyone. It's my favorite. And last but not least, for this packing list, I'm going on MSC on Sunday, is a Lanyard key card holder. This has my last cruise, or one of my last cruises, key cards in it, so I definitely use it. I basically consider myself a toddler when I travel. I need a case for my cords. I will lose my room card if you just hand it to me. So I definitely am a lanyard girl. I know some people wear fanny packs. I like just being able to see it. It makes me happy. I like when I'm off the boat, I can constantly see it. Like seriously, I'm a toddler. I'm okay with this, but I definitely would recommend a lanyard if your cruise has a key card situation. I know Princess has medallions, so I won't need that for my February cruise. And I think MSC has key cards. And if I'm wrong, this is tiny space. It doesn't matter. But anyway, those are all my must-haves for packing for a cruise. Now I do take other items. I'll pack some clothes, of course, bathing suits, some body sunscreen. I usually just get that from my friends that live in Florida since I like to go light and I just put everything on the plane. And you can't really take big bottles of sunscreen on the plane. But overall, this is my must-haves for this cruise. I'm super excited about going. I hope this helps you plan your packing list for your next cruise. And thanks for watching.